Hello guys, so this is the only method remaining to get back your banned account. If you're getting banned by mistake, or you think you're getting banned, or you can't access your WhatsApp account for some reason, follow these steps. First of all, open WhatsApp, go to settings right here, and then after that you can see contact us, click this, and you can start a chat with the WhatsApp support, tell them your problem, and they should fix it. If not, go to help center. It will redirect you to Google, especially to this page. Scroll down, you can see contact us, click it, and then click this. This is the support. You can fill this form, your phone number, your mail address, so they can contact you, and then confirm it. Choose what type of device you're using, and here you can enter the problem. For example, I cannot access my WhatsApp account, please help me, or something like that. Click next. After clicking next, scroll down, you can see send question, so you click send, and your question has been sent to review. They will get back to you in a short time via email, so make sure you are available, and that's it. Hope your problem will get fixed soon, and see you on the next one.